Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel VK Classes. We are studying chapter 1 chemical reactions and equation. Here is the question number 12. Define exothermic reaction. A chemical reaction in which heat is releases heat energy is called an exothermic reaction. Examples: burning of natural gas. So methane reacts with oxygen, release out carbon dioxide, water along with the liberation of energy in the form of heat. Now, respiration is also called an exothermic reaction. It is asked many times, students. Please remember the food what we eat in the form of glucose C6H12O6, which what we respire the gas called oxygen. The food get digest with oxygen, release out carbon dioxide gas, water molecules along with energy in the form of heat. So, respiration is also a best example for exothermic reaction. Now we'll study define endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction, a chemical reaction in which heat energy is absorbed. Example, a calcium carbonate stone absorb the heat present in atmosphere and release out calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Next, define displacement reaction. When a more reactive element displaces less reactive element from its compound is called displacement reaction. Please go through the third lesson of metal and non-metal. You will get, students, some metals which is highly reactive, which are moderately reactive, which are less reactive. Here the more reactive element always displaces lesser reactive elements from its compound, from its less reactive metal compound is called displacement reaction. Take an example, zinc and copper sulfate. Zinc is more reactive than copper sulfate. Copper will displaces from its solution separately, which is called displacement reaction. So now I'll give time to take down these questions. We'll discuss next questions. Okay, we'll start question number 15. What is double displacement reaction? Give two examples. The reaction in which two different ions or group of atoms in a reactant molecules are displaced by each other is called double displacement reaction. Example, students, when we react sodium carbonate solution added to a magnesium sulfate solution in a test tube, a white precipitate of magnesium carbonate is formed. See the reaction, magnesium sulfate and sodium carbonate, both we took solution in different test tubes. If we added one to another, we will get, students, magnesium carbonate and sodium sulfate. Here we got displaced, magnesium sulfate got mixed with sodium sulfate and sodium carbonate got displaced with magnesium carbonate. Here double displacement got occurred by the group of atoms and the group of ions also. So it is called double displacement reaction. Another one example, which is very important, asked many times in the examination, when sodium sulfate mixed with barium chloride to form white precipitate of barium sulfate. So here sodium sulfate react with barium chloride, take both in a test tube differently and mix the solution each other. You will get, students, two product, barium sulfate and sodium chloride, where sodium chloride and barium sulfate are double displacement product along with white precipitate of barium sulfate will form. It means it will be remains in the white color, thread like structures will form in test tube. Next question, what are precipitation reaction? Explain with suitable example. Here only the same above equation taken here, students. The chemical reaction in which involves the formation of insoluble solid are called precipitation reaction. A thread like structure I defined word, that is insoluble solid structure will form in one test tube in the form of barium sulfate solution. Yes, see there. Sodium sulfate reacts with barium chloride. It gives barium sulfate and sodium chloride. Here it is the white precipitate remains in the insoluble solid form in test tube, which is called precipitation reaction.